So my idea was inspired by IKEA and the game box game 3008, also inspired by IKEA. I was organizing some chairs and tables in my room, and I wanted to make some changes, so I decided to remodel my room with new furniture to see how it looked. What I did and what I used. My product used poly modeling tools and image textures. Poly modeling is using tools like extrude and bevel to model the large furnitures. Image texture is using imported graphics adding, by applying realistic looks. So here's a picture of what I did for like my build, and here's a picture of it. So, and thank you.